Hello and welcome back to my healthy hair series where I am trying to nurse my hair back to health and really just focusing on my length retention and the integrity and the health of my hair after just kind of neglecting it, following bad practices, and treating my hair the way that she deserves to be treated for a while. So, if you're new here, I will link my videos down below so you can see where we started. But I really just have one thing to say. Michael Myers could never. Michael Myers, you know, the guy that wears the white mask in the Halloween movies. He could never. Okay, seriously, when I look at my hair in this condition, I really just see like the hair that's coming out of the white mask from Michael Myers. Like my ends are still frayed and horrible, raggedy. I cannot wait to be out of this stage where my hair is just looking dry and damaged. But anyways, one thing that I am proud of is the length that I have achieved so far. I've been looking at my hair, when I style it. And initially I was like, oh my gosh, my hair is not growing or it's not growing quick enough. I think I'm doing a pretty good job. I think that my hair has grown, and that's one thing that I'm proud of. Another thing that I'm proud of is I can tell that I'm getting better with the routine as far as how I'm blow drying and how I'm flat ironing, because my hair this time had a lot more body. I mean, a lot. It had more movement. It wasn't as stiff. I can run my fingers through my hair. Now, again, I know that my ends are still pretty bad. You don't have to tell me that. I know. I know. Um, and trust me, I am going to be investing in a really good like repair or damage control product. I'm thinking of K18. Let me know down below if you have any recommendations. I really wanted to see how I would do with just like deep conditioning at first, but I think that I am going to have to use some type of like damage remedy product just to kind of get my hair back to, to kind of undo some of the damage that has happened. So again, I'm thinking of the K18. I'm also thinking of, I think Joico is the name of the product or the name of the brand that has like really good damage recovery, and they have like a moisture line. So I'm thinking of investing in that. But again, just let me know your thoughts on a really good treatment or damage remedy product. So in this video, all I'm really doing is just kind of showing you the length that I've achieved, how my hair looks so far. Is this about a month and a half? Probably 2 months, because I got my hair straightened for my birthday, December 15th. And at the time of filming this, it's around February 15th. So yeah, about 2 months post, me deciding I'm taking my hair health and this journey into my own hands, and I'm caring for my hair. So in between that initial straightening and now, I've really just been I've done a roller set so far. I've done a wash and go, which by the way, I love my wash and go, but my goodness, it is so much easier for me to blow dry and style my hair than to sit there and detangle and apply a styling product and wear a wash and go for the week. Like, if I could just do this or blow dry and do a style once a week or once every 2 weeks, that's exactly what I'm going to be doing. Plus, like I said in my initial video, there's something calming about blow drying my hair. Like, I feel like it feels really good on my scalp, and there's like a calming effect that it gives me. I don't know, it's weird, I can't explain it. What I decided to do was I blow dried my hair, I flat ironed. Like I said, I'm really proud of the process that I'm using now. I can tell that I'm getting a lot better. Right after I flat ironed, I bumped the ends, or I curled the ends, and then I pin curled. And I'm very happy with the results. My curls actually stayed in place. This was Valentine's Day, so I was getting ready for a date night. And I am just really proud of the fact that my curls stayed. I did not experience like frizzing because of the humidity, which I was very surprised by. I live in Florida, so I really thought that the humidity was just going to ruin my curls, but that did not happen. And I think that a lot of that has to do with the products that I used. If you're curious, I'll link them down below. And the fact that when I bumped my ends, I curled them and then I pinned them right away, put a scarf on, and then just kind of, let them set that way. So I think that really helped me out. I was very surprised when I took out the pins and I saw that my hair just looked healthy and my curls were intact. They looked shiny. I don't even think, I didn't apply any serum or anything at this point. So really just the heat protectant that I was using, but I was very happy with the results. So as you see, when I'm taking out my curls, I did not brush them out. I learned from when I was young, my mom would always tell me, just let the curls kind of fall on their own. You don't want to brush through the curls, especially with me having really fine hair. So I said, you know what? When they fall, they fall. So I really just kind of manipulated them just a tiny bit with my fingers, moved some curls in place. But for the most part, I really just rocked these pin curls as they are, just kind of with them set in place. And I liked that look, surprisingly. I thought I would look like an old lady, or I would feel like I look like an old lady, but I really like this look. So this is probably going to be my go-to when I blow dry and flat iron my hair. I'll just curl it and then pin it and then wear it like that. So I'll stop blabbing now. Enjoy. And I will see you at my next hair update. I'm praying that by that point, my ends will look a lot better. My hair will just look healthier, and I'll have a little more hang time to share with you. Okay, thank you again for watching. I'm going to put on some nice relaxing music for us while I take out the rest of these pins and style my hair. I will see you in the next hair update, but stay to the end so you can see the final look. I love you.
Charlie Brown, I can tell you what Christmas is all about. Lights, please.